Hello, my name is Joseph. I'm a performer, and today I'm challenging you to create your own original song. Now, not too long ago, I collaborated with some very talented students at St Monica's Catholic Primary School. They created a songwriting group and they called themselves the 10 Rising Stars. Right now, I'm going to sing you some of the song that we came up with. It's called Change the World. And if you spot the chorus, the bit that's repeated, sing along with me. Goes like this. If you could change the world, would you do it or not? If you could change your mind, would you do it or not? If you could change your heart, would you do it or not? I'm giving you a chance, will you take it? Get off your phone, go outside, look, our world is about to die. Don't sit there just smelling the air, do something to show you care. Tick-tock, the earth is dying. Tick-tock, everyone is crying. Tick-tock, just stop lying, save the earth and keep on trying. Look around, we are the cause. Listen to us and take a pause. Green is the key to unlock the mystery. Stop the misery because green is the new free chorus. Get off your phone, go outside. Look, our world is about to die. Don't sit there just smelling the air. Do something to show you care. I'm giving you a chance, will you take it? I'm giving you a chance, will you take it? Right, I hope you enjoyed the song, and I wonder if you spotted the chorus there too. Now, I have a challenge for you. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to write and perform your own Changing World song using the lyrics, "If I could change the world." Have a think, what would you change about the world? Now, before you get going, I've got some top tips for you. Write down as many ideas as you can and then choose only the best bits to go in your song. And the bits that you don't end up using, you can just use them as a starting point for another song. Also, I hope you're going to be very proud of yourselves for creating a brand new song that the world has never heard before. So when you perform, make sure you stand tall and you smile because you're so proud. Make sure you perform any actions very clearly and sing loud enough so that whoever's listening can hear every single word that you've written. Check out the worksheet for further advice. Okay, good luck completing your challenge.